Shoutouts to Versus for letting us host this on Saturday.
Oh yeah, thank God. I needed something to do today, dude.
Definitely a nice day, Saturday. The Zelda attack.
Oh yes. Okay, here's my boy Noble from Team Big Dog. He's not playing Zelda, but he's playing Sheik today. He's playing Secret lately, but
I mean, you can if you play Zelda, you can basically switch to Sheik at any
true.
moment.
So if he starts losing the matchup with Sheik, he's switching to Zelda. I guarantee you that.
Yeah, I used to do that back in the day. Just switch it up, half stock, baby. And then you keep your invincibility while you change the. Can definitely change the mid stock.
Okay, so. Oh
Maybe.
no.
The back again.
Oh, he should have jumped in forward air.
You can also jump down and nair and it covers the side.
Yeah, it does. Nair, massive.
Yeah.
What frame does it come out? It comes out so quick. It stops combos. So
in melee, it comes out at like I think it's frame 3 or 4.
I know it's not as fast as like Luigi's or Mario's because I think those are frame 1, isn't it? It just like immediately cuts to the animation.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but I know it's really fast and it stops combos. So you can't like really like unless it's like Sheik is in a really bad position and really badly DIing. She should be able to get her combos really easily. Oh yeah, see the forward air? The forward air sends you at a weird angle. It's really hard to DI. You gotta DI it like up. Like straight up.
You get that arc DI. Definitely like a spike.
Oh my god. He does that thing so often. And there he goes. You're at 200%. Like sit down.
Definitely not something you want to do in a crew battle. Run stocks away for free, that's not good.
Jumps off the stage. Grab the ledge. Falco's recovery is also very limited as well. Like, yes, he does have the firebird and everything, but the firebird is a lot shorter than Fox's.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Looking like
he's
the
really
other crew battle. Falco goes in, gets first stock.
Yeah. Think about I'm gonna say like this, like Sheik's will, especially if you're Falco and you're like really easy to gimp, Sheik is going out all the way.
Yes.
She will not stop. She'll like back air you and make sure you don't come back.
I think
the way to beat Sheik is like right there. You gotta hug that ledge. You gotta hug it like it's your firstborn child. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh. Okay, he got back.
Okay,
he should just grab the ledge.
back.
Grab the
Yes.
ledge. You want to kill Sheik? Grab the ledge.
Oh my. Alright.
See?
Alright. It still worked. It still worked. It was definitely risky. And that's...
Yeah, that's it. And I texted him before that you better win. He's not disappointed
Better
though.
win. Not let our boy disappoint. My boy Kamikaze did.
The window's over here, isn't it? 1 second.
Yeah, words of encouragement from my man, dude. That commentator window. Luck, baby.
Hey, we're gonna cheer him on, dude. He's like my best friend, alright? Alright, Olimar. We're just going to see a lot of Pikmin being thrown. That's it.
Yeah. Up. I already made it, boy.
Yeah, you're going to have to go find it now.
Does he not know what the noise means? Or... Or unless there's not enough space, maybe. So Team Juanpi with the Olimar.
Yeah. But Olimar is also very RNG reliant because
Yeah,
I don't. Do the Pikmin come out in a certain order or is it completely random?
I think they're random.
I'm pretty sure they're completely random, but I don't quote me on that.
But you definitely want to get the purple one out.
You want to get the purple one, the yellow, not yellow one, white one, right?
I think so.
The purple, no, the purple one. Oh,
Oh, baby. It only gets purples and whites.
oh my God, we're like, you want to get the purples and white ones. Pulls out
Only
three white, the three Pikmin are one's white, two are purple. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's random.
Pretty
I'm like 90% sure now it's random.
Ooh, he's starting off strong.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
he has two purple Pikmin. Okay, now he has, okay, he still has the
He has two, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Two and a blue one.
there's a
No,
red one.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes one. No, he's back. He's back. I'm just going and watching the Pikmin.
Ooh.
Oh, rest in peace.
What, the
Oh,
Zelda,
no,
baby?
no. And, yep, let's
No.
see. Rest
2020,
in
baby.
peace. Oh, that was stupid. Oh my God. That's upsetting, dude.
So we're down to 18 stocks each. Pretty even.
Yeah, it's really even. First game went convincing to Big Dog, and next game, Juanpi. But, jeez.
You can see Juanpi in the background and he's just laughing.
Two purple Pikmin. Two purple Pikmin and one white.
It was three, right?
No,
Three.
he had four in total, but you picked three. I think you're at the start. At the start, he picks because it's automatic.
Yeah.
Pick three Pikmin. And I didn't know if it was random or not, but now I'm very convinced that's random.
Unless he hacked, you never know. But with that kind of RNG.
No, I just think he got lucky. The Pikmin, like, but he used them. He used them right. It's like picking a snitch with Peach like 4 times in a row, but you can still waste them.
True.
All right. It's what you do with it that matters. So. So who are they playing again? I've looked away. There's Olimar and
I also looked away. So.
Captain Falcon. Okay.
The new king, baby.
I think what is it? Falcon loses the matchup actually.
I have no idea. I don't think I ever played against an Olimar.
You play Falcon? No.
I play Sheik and Zelda. Some Falcon.
Now Falcon, I think could win if he gets if he sort of gets in, but it's gonna be hard to get.
Yeah, I guess the space can do. but
We start out with a purple and white.
definitely getting good RNG.
Okay. No, yeah, okay. Falcon just rushes him down.
Yeah, because I guess Falcon has some speed, but... Oh? This all like combos? Oh my god, that was definitely a purple, baby. A purple hit, dude.
Oh, that.
Gentleman knee, dude. Pretty good.
Almor definitely has a space of rain, poke shield, so.
She should have just
grabbed the ledge.
Yes.
You hit Falcon off like that, he's at that weird angle. Grab ledge. He's not getting back on stage.
Ooh, she has 2 purples and a white one.
We saw what happened last game with that.
Oh. Not gonna kill
Falcon
this
can survive it better than she could, just because of his Falcon's weight.
Yeah.
The red one.
Ooh. Queen of Juanpi with the stock lead. But definitely one knee can just
Yeah, one knee can just. Almor's a really light character.
Wait, that's
He's
right. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Just
grab
wait,
the ledge.
that's back. What are you doing?
Oh, grab the ledge.
Watch him. He
Yeah,
lost his
there.
stock.
See,
Yep.
you just could grab the ledge, dude. Now it's even.
Could have been 2 stocks ahead with his 3 inputs. But
Okay. Oh.
the
Back-
windmill. Oh.
Oh,
the
yes.
spike.
Oh, my God. It's getting close. It's actually started out 4 stock to 4 stock, right? Yeah, this has been a full match, dude. This is getting close.
So who's gonna
The
take
tech
the
chase.
first stock?
Yeah, just get up attack. He's just standing there.
Oh.
That's really bad. He's in a really bad spot because of that Raptor boost.
Oh no. Beautiful.
Oh! Oh, he should. Honestly, I know why he went for the up air there, because it's the safe option.
He went for the
All right.
But you never know.
Yeah.
Maybe then he was gonna
Almor
get a
went
stock.
went right under him. So if he got like really adventurous and went for the down air,
Ooh.
that would have been not just a highlight reel, but would actually been the best option in that case. But then again, Falcon was playing really safe. So sometimes,
I mean, maybe in a game,
Yeah.
not in a crew battle, he would have gone for it. But in a crew battle, you definitely want to keep your stocks. You don't want to be throwing them away.
no, you don't.
He didn't change the stocks. No. This might not be big dog. Starting with 2 stocks.
Yeah, he's
Team Cantons get 2 stocks.
Yes. They're just starting with it? There's no warm up?
Guess he just
I
wants to go
guess. It's just all deliberate, so yeah, we're in the game.
in. Bowser, pretty heavy hitter.
Bowser, you're going to die like 30%. So like.
Oh no.
Yeah, see?
Back to even, baby.
Yeah, we're back to even.
14.
Well, then again.
Oh, One Piece going in.
Oh boy.
Please,
Let's do this.
In PM, right?
I don't know. I have no idea. Well, we'll find out.
Because he plays tough in melee.
Oh,
he
yeah,
definitely
it's a team captain.
the Josie Bowser thing.
Yep. Alright.
Looks like the team captain's going in early.
Yeah.
Or I guess it's like halfway through their team, so.
It works out because they're both even. The stock count is exactly even.
Yeah.
So, probably pulls out, maybe pull out the captains, maybe before something.
Oh my god.
Yeah, when
Juanpi.
Yoshi doesn't have a good upbeat for recovery, so although it makes up because Yoshi's second jump has super armor.
Yeah.
So he can power through a lot of things. But if you lost that second jump, because upbeat will propel you forward a little bit. You lose that first second jump,
Yeah,
you might as
you're
well call
kinda
it.
just free
Might as well
falling.
call it a day.
Your only option is to just, I guess, air dodge, huh?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Ooh, dead fort.
Oh,
And back to even.
I didn't know that. I honestly thought that he was going to live that. It's like, oh, wow, the guy out the top there.
The stage shot. Oh.
Oh my god, when you catch the jump at the ledge. Woo!
Dude, Juanpi out, my man. Big dog taking the big stocks.
Oh boy.
Jesus, Juanpi going down to big dog.
Yeah?
I'm pretty sure Juanpi won the last Lofa, the PM one.
Alright.
And I think he was in grand finals for Melee. I'm not sure if he won.
I wasn't watching, so I was working.
Out here with the custom tags, dude.
Yeah?
Tap tap up and the footstool on X. Ooh, the Roy. Roy definitely a strong character.
Yeah?
Power of the fire, my man. Buff up.
Alright. Alright, Roy versus Bowser. Okay. It's gonna be hard for Roy to get in because of the super armor and at most of Roy's damage at the base of the sword. See? At the base of the sword and with Bowser's super armor, literally just able to power through like the tip of Roy's sword. It's a really hard matchup.
Ooh, dude, he's going hard. Ooh, he was going to down.
In order to Roy for to win this, he has to. His grab game will have to be on point.
Yeah, not a good start for Roy here.
No.
Team Juanpi down 3.
Now, if Roy does get in,
my
he can take over Bowser with the combos and everything because Bowser is he's not going to have super armor in the middle of a combo. So, but it's more the neutral game where Bowser wins.
Does he see? Oh, he's good to down B and he's another stop.
Yeah.
gonna bust out the 4-stock.
That's when you just give up. He taunted. Oh wait.
Yeah. He just hits a 4 smash, I believe. Oh. 4 smash? Nope.
That's it.
Oh my god.
That's it.
That's a
4 stock. Dude. It's really hard for what because Mark can survive can get in with the tippers and everything. And stuff like Fox and Falco can get up close to start the combo game with a grab. Because with Bowser, getting a hit in with neutral if he's doing like a forward smash or anything, it's hard because Bowser has a bunch of super armor. Where you'll take the percentage, but you won't get the knockback or stop his move.
It's pretty hard scanning with Bowser, and you definitely don't want to get a hit. It's like one of those tank characters. Get a hit.
But if you do get Bowser into a combo, it could go really bad for him.
Yeah.
He's the perfect weight and size for combos, for those extended, really big extended combos.
And it looks like we got a Mario, baby.
Mario
Team
can do it.
Juanpi.
Mario can do it because fireballs are going to help him out.
And he's done it in every single Mario game, so
Yeah, he loses
can
every
he do
game.
it again? Oh. Can Team Big Dog clutch out this stock?
Mario gets stuff off of grab, so like, but Bowser can still hurt. Hurts a lot, yeah. The up B comes out really fast too.
Oh no. Team Juanpi doesn't want to lose this stock. And oh, he got.
Get on that ledge now. There.
There we go. Using the grab ledge feature in the
You
game.
have one stock against a Bowser who's taking out what 2 people already. All right, grab that ledge.
Took the
Get on it.
captain and another one.
All right, I think we're gonna see a Mario Ditto, or we're gonna see Mario Falco. So yeah, no, it's Mario Ditto.
Team Juanpi down by 1 full player. Load captain's out. So
Yep.
3 players to 2.
Yeah. Team Big Dog is definitely in the lead at the moment. 1 full player over Juanpi. Because Big Dog coming in, doing all the work, take out both Juanpi and another one of his players.
They're going straight up.
Yeah.
Luckily Mario can combo a bunch of up airs into his combos.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh. Is he canceling it?
Yes.
Oh my god, I didn't know you could cancel it.
Well, apparently you can. You can probably cancel like most taunts, probably. If your character's fast enough.
The thing about this matchup is which Mario gets in first.
Yeah, Mario can definitely has.
Because Mario's definitely good for comboing, especially if you're doing a Ditto.
Yeah.
But Mario also has a very lethal kill option with down throw forward there.
Yeah. Ooh, Bush recovery. Oh my god. Can Team Juanpi get a 4 spot? Make things even?
Yeah,
Run past
that up smash hurts. But one thing I'm not sure, I know Smash 4 has some frames of invincibility. I don't know if it has invincibility here in PM. so you can probably maybe challenge the move. But I know it's a really good quick kill option. Mario's wave dash can definitely get him in to the point where, yeah, that up smash will hurt.
Yep. So we're getting down to the last few stocks. 2 players, or 3 players, Team Big Dog.
Yeah?
2 and
Alright.
Juanpi. Oh, I thought he went a bit too low.
Oh, here we go. Alright. He's starting to realize what he was doing wrong.
Oh no.
Well, Mario was just winning the neutral game.
Yeah,
If you win the neutral game, you're going to get so much off of it. That's why you see them throwing out fireballs a lot. Just spacing them around each other.
He just needs to clutch wall jump.
Oh. That I honestly thought that forward air was going to hit.
Yeah.
It looked ripe. Alright.
Definitely safe until like that
juicy.
up air.
Alright, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh.
It's looking bad.
It is.
It's a 4-stock combat right now. And I think this should be it.
Oh, he stayed on the ledge too long. Oh, that was a forward air or a forward smash, but he jumped. Is it gonna be literally a
4-stock.
yeah, pretty. Oh, yes, it is.
I think you should just hit the roll.
Oh, no.
He doesn't roll.
Speaking of the devil. Oh,
Back
there it
throw,
is. Yep.
take
Okay.
a stock.
Okay.
You just needed a roll.
This is getting close, dude.
Can Team Juanpi clutch out this stock? Oh, it's opening out the platform. That's somebody.
Oh, that's
Oh my
I
God,
can't.
nope.
There it is.
And
That's it. That's it. That was close. That was really close. I honestly did not expect them to bring it back like that.
Yeah, that looked like it was gonna be a 4-stock, and then he twisted things around.
And it looked like it was going to be a reverse 4-stock. No. And I ended up going down to the last stock. But, like you said, he was able to pull it out.
And who's he gonna fake? Going for the Zelda. Asking for
He's asking
peanut
for an
pies.
opinion. Yeah, he's probably going to go in Zelda, so.
Spamming the Zelda button. Let's see. Mario can definitely get in Zelda, but Zelda has like
Zelda has a lot of space tools. Zelda has a lot of range on her abilities, and if you do get up close, she can really mess you up.
and the up B cancel. You can definitely go pretty much everywhere.
Zelda's good close and very long, but if you're like in the middle ground, like if you're good at medium range character, like Marth for example, Marth is a good medium range character. You can outspace her up close options and stay away from her far away options. You play with someone like Mario where you're close up is very like. It's a very volatile matchup. I probably see because like
Mario's Nair can definitely break the
you
combo.
can break the combos, but
And definitely the down throw fairs definitely
Yeah.
kill early.
Oh, there's a one with
No contest.
Team Juanpi last 4 stocks.
yeah.
Team Big Dog, they got the big 9 stocks.
Yeah. You pulled a
They
lot of
still
weight.
got Johnny C and Master Bravo.
Yeah.
And they're up against her man, Ramen.
Boy. Alright, here we go. FD. Okay. Yeah, see the Den Fire's action right there? At the ledge, crush him. You can't do a hop off the ledge onto there. He has to get up off the ledge. Yeah, like
And you can definitely spike Mario and like he won't make it back. Looks like
see the
it's
Den,
a
see the Den
fireball.
Fire right there?
Yeah.
See how the Den Fire is gonna work for Zelda?
Den
Den Fire is also good for restricting movement.
Yeah. Can Mario wants to camp, you can definitely block out something.
You're forcing Mario to approach.
Yeah.
But Mario does get a hit on you, you're gonna really feel it.
He really
It's gonna
needs to
hurt.
take this stock. Oh.
If you go one stock or one stock, when your team's already in the lead, yep, nope,
There we go,
there we go. But if you're able to get that one stock while in a crew battle like this, it can really like help out your next your teammate. Because now they are the other person already has pressure on them. They have like can't screw up now.
Yeah. But now Team Big Dog has some room
Yeah,
to
it's gonna
spare.
be it's gonna be a straight out match. It's not gonna be like anything special. No one's gonna be at a disadvantage or advantage. So we got Falcon versus Zelda. Falcon's movement is definitely gonna be restricted like everyone else. Because Zelda's also really good. Like, the fires are always in the spots where they need to be to.
And Zelda also has an up throw chain drum and talk.
He does?
Yes, she does.
He does, yeah. 2017, we can't forget that now.
Can definitely be good. You
It
can
can-
link it with an up throw.
Zelda,
pretty
so
good.
I think Zelda's like the perfect way for a Falcon to combo.
Yeah.
So it depends on who gets the first hit here.
I mean, if they miss space an up air, I think Zelda can like, definitely spike.
Now Falcon can get it really quick.
Yeah, he can definitely get in
He
quick.
can get it in pat because if Zelda is throwing out Dim Fire and
Yeah.
and she misses, there's still lag there.
Yeah.
And that's enough time for Falcon to get in, get like a grab or an air. Just doing a Michael Jackson, working, walking all over the place.
Misses the short end.
No contest.
Looks like they don't restart. Get their fist pumps on and let's see if
go.
our man can do it. Looks like this is going to the back here again. The Zelda can really get Falcon.
Yeah.
Down
Well,
smash
Falcon's
cuts
recovery
out
is
pretty
very, very linear.
Yeah.
You know what he's going to do when he's going to do it.
fast. And Zelda definitely has a good spike.
And a good offstage game.
Yes.
She's able to stay offstage. Yeah.
She
See?
also has her knee.
She can also influence when Falcon to use the up B because of Dimfire. Dimfire is such a powerful tool on her. Alright?
Yeah,
It just
it definitely limits Falcon's tech chase.
yes.
Because you don't want to get tech chase by Falcon. You just down throw, they read you, knee, you're dead.
Yes.
If you put Dimfires on the ledge,
It's gonna be hard.
pretty
Yes.
much can't do anything.
He's gonna have to get hit. There's no other way to get back to the stage. He has to get hit and pray. Okay, he doesn't get gimped off of that.
See that if you put the Dimfire like that, Falcon just waiting to get hit. And you can definitely like spike after that. Or do whatever you want pretty much. Ooh.
Thing with Dimfire too, Falcon's hitboxes also go out with his move hitboxes. Like his body hitbox is actually really big. He's actually a really tall, big character, and that takes up a lot of space.
Looks like Team Juanpi's gone pretty solidly.
So he can't like really do anything against Dimfire either. You can't like knock him out of the air or anything. But if he does that, he's still going to take damage. He's only get some percentage on him and knock him back.
Up throw. He blocks the ledge and he misses up, but oh no.
There we
Gets
go.
the knee. He's going for the sheep. He's not. Alright.
He was thinking.
No, he definitely shook his head. Oh,
Oh, that looked.
yeah,
Oh, oh.
not looking that bad, but
Oh, this has the okay. He's dying
no.
up, so it's not going to combo right into the knee,
Zelda
which is definitely
like,
definitely the preferred way to kill
Oh,
Zelda
no.
right now.
Oh, he gets hit. Oh, he should have down smashed or down tilt too,
Or just grab the ledge.
or just grab the ledge. Pretty easy. Oh, he gets a.
Oh, this is close. Oh, that's
That
it.
back row definitely gonna
That
kill.
is it. Falcon, when he leveled the stage that far off, is not getting back.
4 sucks to 3. Definitely coming down to the last man.
Oh yes. Juanpi can bring this back. Can bring this back. It's not out of the ordinary. But Ness, if he's saying Ness, if like it was hovering over before, that could be a problem for Zelda. Ness can absorb Dimfires, right?
Yeah, and she definitely. But you can definitely aim your Dimfire to block his up B, which is
That's
pretty,
true.
pretty nice. And like sometimes Nats try to use like his up B to hit you while you're recovering. You
Yeah.
can also like reflect that with your neutral B.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! No contest.
He's putting an attack. That's player one.
3, 2, 1, go!
What the?
That's
Hand warmer?
warm up. Definitely Nats wants to warm up.
Ness needs that hand warmer.
Yeah.
He's a really Ness needs a lot of inputs to pull off correctly. Those double jump cancels are really important.
Nats can do some weird stuff, but it's
Ness
double
can do a
jump.
lot of stuff. Those are up airs, by the way.
Up air is also like a great
Up air is
kill
massive.
Zelda.
Okay, that forehead is huge.
Yeah, and it hits pretty strong. It kills Zelda like at 90.
Yeah,
No contest.
and you have a really good grab game.
3, 2, 1, go!
I was playing this man in this mess in friendlies this morning. Just playing Zelda. You can definitely die from like an up air.
What, from Ness or Zelda?
I mean, pretty much both. But
Yeah.
up air with Ness, with his double jump, he can definitely go like really high. Definitely get those up air snipes.
The thing about Ness is that then fire. And it recovers. It gives him percentage back. The thing with like Ness and also Lucas is that they can pretty much use their aerials as ground moves. So it gives Ness a lot of ground options, while also those aerials are really good in the air. So he pretty much a threat in the air, and but this is still on the stage. Ness's recovery is still very linear.
Pretty linear. You can pretty much block it with anything. But
Yeah.
if you miss it by like a second, you're definitely gonna get hit. Extremely strong. Oh, he gets a picture.
We looked away for a second. Oh, even.
Even. 2 last stocks. It's definitely gonna go to last stock last game. I would say to save the Denfire for like the up B.
Yeah.
Because you don't want Ness to observe the Denfire.
Stop Ness's rush game. That's what I should say. Say that. Don't use Zenfire to block off Ness because he has a bunch of movement options and he's going to work his way around it.
Oh?
Oh, that should have been just an up air.
Oh no.
Oh, the PK pull! Let's go, dude. Oh, God.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's so even.
You can, with Zelda, you can just press a neutral B, and it, like, you don't get hit with that. So,
Oh, no.
Jesus, it's literally 2% away. It's literally, they're 1 hit away.
Yes. The scary thing is, too, with Ness gets a grab, you're screwed. Oh!
See, that could have been unfair. For sure. Oh no.
Ness can get a back throw.
No,
But
the
back throw
up
is still.
No,
Yeah,
she
there
gets
it
the
is!
back DI.
There it is!
No.
I told you that. I was like slowly mentioning it throughout the match. Ness can get the back throw and win off of it. It's a kill throw.
He definitely got the bad
It's-
DI on that.
I don't even think he would have lived with DI because
No,
back
no,
throw
no.
on
He
Ness.
would have definitely lived with the DI. If he DI'd off, he would have made it.
Still a really powerful throw.
Really powerful.
So he would have been at a really bad disadvantage regardless.
Yeah, he would have like gotten in.
But you would
edge
live.
guard.